Hi gents, welcome and thanks for joining us on this roadshow. Today we are here to celebrate an important milestone, the 10th year anniversary of Hikvision and the CSD partnership. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to the journey we had with CSD. A wonderful journey with many results achieved and many challenges overcome. Thanks CSD team, we gained a lot and we grow together.
10 years, congratulations CSD, West Coast Annexter. I wanted to take a moment to extend my sincere appreciation for your remarkable commitment, loyalty and support. Together we have had an outstanding 10 years. Thank you for your dedication to excellence.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Hikvision Roadshow 2023. Glad you're able to come and see some new technologies and celebrate our 10-year relationship with Hike as well too. My name's Darryl Brown from West Coast Annexter. I'm the State Manager. Come and enjoy.
Quickly take a look at the history development of email. That will be easier to trigger the light.
10 years, 10 of those years of working very closely with Hikvision. The Hikvision journey for us is from its inception 10 years ago. We had all of our sales reps going around and with suitcases and showing everybody the new technology with Hikvision, and from then it's escalated to the giant that it is today in Australia, and everything the guys do, the technology that you have has been fantastic.
The team there to provide the leading technology, leading service.
It's been a fantastic 10 years. It's been a fantastic journey, both commercially, strategically, and they're a really good bunch of people to work with too. So we're really excited to be here and celebrate the 10-year anniversary between CSD and Hikvision.
This year marks a decade of collaboration between CSD and Hikvision, and it's truly a momentous milestone. See far, go further has always been our guiding principles for not just business, but also the partnership with you guys. As we celebrate this milestone, that's not just a reflect on the past, but also look forward to an even bright future. So here's to another decade of shared success, innovation, and continued strength of our relationship. So see far and go further. Thank you all.
It's been a great journey with CSD in the past 10 years. I think we're pushing new technology to our customers. For Hikvision, we're always keen to the leading technology and innovations, and for CSD, providing the local service to our customers. In the past 10 years, we see significant improvements on technology, and we're very excited for that. Like for cameras, NVR, for more high definition, color image, AI stuff, and we see all of that bringing a lot of different benefits to our customers and also end users. So for the next 10 years, we look forward to work more closely with West Coast Annexter. We will invest more and bring more surprise in technology and service to our customers.